Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening files by Google or your phone's file manager. Grant the requested storage and media permissions so the app can read and organize files. Once done, use the search bar to locate a file by name. It's faster than browsing. Make a new folder with the plus icon and name it logically so future retrieval is simple. This first step gets you organized and ready. It prevents duplicates and makes later actions like moving or sharing predictable and quick. You now organize. Long press a file to enter multi-select mode and tap additional files to group them. Then choose Move to relocate items into folders or Copy to duplicate. Always confirm the destination folder before you tap Confirm so you don't overwrite. Use Sort and Filter to view by date, size, or file type. This helps identify large videos or duplicates to delete. Make sure to check the storage view to reclaim space, and repeat organization in logical batches to avoid mistakes. Finally, share and secure your files. Tap Share to send via apps or create a link, and verify recipient permissions so you don't expose private data. Backup important folders to Google Drive or an SD card, and set a routine backup cadence so changes aren't lost. If something goes wrong, a file won't open or disappears, check app permissions, clear the file manager cache, and restore from your backup if needed. This sequence completes the task and gives you a reliable recovery option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.